Hi everyone, so I'm back with a super duper quick video. I'm doing this as I'm literally on my way out the door, but this has just been delivered to me. This is one of the Jeffree Star mystery boxes. Now I know all of you watching my channel will be thinking, well, I thought you were on a no buy, and I am on a no buy, but if you watch my cash stuff and envelope videos, you know I allocate myself an allowance every month. So I didn't actually buy this box as such. I bought a raffle ticket off a person who was raffling it off, and I actually won the raffle, which I cannot believe, but yeah, I actually won the raffle. So this has just come through the door today, so I just wanted to quickly unbox it on camera with you guys and show you what I got in it. As far as I'm aware, this is the premium box, which was kind of the middle box, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, like I say, I am in a super duper rush because I'm literally on my way out the door. I am doing it one-handed as well, guys, so please excuse it, but let's just dive straight in. So the first thing that I see here is one of these beanies, and it's a red colour and it's got the Jeffree Star logo and the little love hearts on. That's actually quite a cute little gift, and I do love a beanie hat. Then we have a pop socket, pop grip, Jeffree Star pop grip. I don't actually have one of them on my phone, but I'm sure they are good. I think this is just, yeah, that's just tissue paper. Then we have the gloss in the shade Succulent. The packaging of this is like absolutely insane. Sorry guys, I'm trying to open this with one hand to show you the colours and things. Come on, let me just grab it. Ooh, this looks extra snazzy. The packaging, like the box of this for the lip glosses, is actually bigger than what I thought it was going to be. Have I actually opened that? I'm just going to have to pop this camera down 1 second, everyone. Sorry guys, but this is the lip gloss. Look how stunning that is. The packaging, I don't own any Jeffree Star lip glosses or anything. That is absolutely gorgeous, and that is definitely a colour I would wear. That was obviously in the shade Succulent. Then what else do we have? This is now I did see a few videos that showed a sneak peek of what was in these, so I do know that this is the Jeffree Star Alien palette. Like, how amazing, everybody. I do not own this palette. I only own one Jeffree Star palette, and that is the Blood Sugar palette. And I do love that one, so I am so glad I got this. Now, a lot of people are saying that this one is being discontinued. I'm not actually sure because I'm not like a huge follower of Jeffree Star, even though I love him. I'm not kind of up to date on all of his makeup and like what's being discontinued and things like that. So, oh my god, how amazing is the packaging? Oh, stunning. Oh my god, how amazing. I cannot wait to create some looks with this palette. If you own this palette, comment down below and tell me what your favorite shade in the palette is. This is absolutely stunning. It's just got a really nice mix of different colours in. It's got some gorgeous crease colours. It's got, I love that purple in there, and I absolutely love that green alien. It's absolutely stunning, and the packaging on it is just absolutely amazing as well. Like, how cute is that? How cute. I absolutely love that. So like I say, I did win this in a raffle. I bought a raffle for somebody who was raffling it off. So that is how I won it, because I think these were these like $80 or something to buy. So yeah, for me buying a raffle ticket, I actually won that, and I'm super happy. So you can see I've got the lip gloss, the palette, the pop socket, and the beanie hat. So yeah, like I say guys, just a super duper quick video. I literally have to go. I need to fly out the door now, but I hope you've all enjoyed it, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.